Alright guys, I'm working on 2018 Honda Accord, how to remove your spiral cable, normally called as your home plate. Alright, for you to reach the home plate, it's just right here. It's inside right here. Good. But before that, you need to remove your steering wheel airbag. For you to get the steering airbag out, you need a flat, small flat. There's a hole on your right side. That way, okay. Let me go to this side on your right side. There's another hole right there. Good. So let me take it out. The pins located both sides. So on your right side, you'll find your two just right here inside there. Then you push this one. Do you see that? Correct. Let's take the other side. On your left side, do you see that? Good. So on the inside, you push this side, then you push this side, then come out. Perfect. All right. Then you take this out inside right here.